is March 24th, Saturday, March 24th. Hello. Had a crazy week of trading. I hope you guys did as well. This is March 24th, Saturday, March 24th. All right, so as I was saying, all right, guys, so Saturday, March 24th, 21st, as I said earlier. Wanted to go over some price action that happened this week. All right, so as I was saying, let me go back to this past week. All right, guys, so it's Saturday, March 24th, 21st, as I said earlier. Last week we had core PPI on Wednesday. And we had FOMC on Wednesday as well at 2 p.m. That was the news of the week, and that also gave the move of the week as well. Last week I was bullish. Core PPI looking for, and we had for price to push up as well. But 2 p.m. it didn't. That was the news of the week. So I ended up also switching my bias. Right now, it's very difficult. The past few months has been very difficult to sustain for price to runs push up on a higher time frame. But price is in a consolidation. It looks like it wants to break out to the low because of the war, especially right now. It's very our job is just to react to price, to sustain, try to make predictions. At times our predictions could be wrong, but it looks like it wants to break out. We could to the low because adjust, war especially, and react. Our job is just to react to price, to sustain, try to make predictions. At times our predictions could be wrong. Let's go to the NQ continuous contract. Adjust, especially, and react. Our job is just to react to price, to sustain, try to make predictions. At times our predictions could be wrong. Let's go to the NQ continuous contract. Adjust, especially, and react. I'm sorry, I have a ultra wide monitor, so I have to make it smaller so the whole chart can fit. All right, so on the monthly time frame, we can see we had these equal highs up here. I'm sorry, ultra wide monitor, so I wanted to see if price wanted to go up here. The whole chart can fit. It didn't. It looks like we're pushing down on the continuous contract. On the monthly time frame, we should hear the NQ. I think we're on NQ equal highs up here. NQM. NQM. The June with this the June contract. This is the same. It didn't. You can see that we had this 3-month gap. We dip down into it. Now we have like we have what 10 days left for the month. I want to see if we're going to respect this gap, the 50% of this gap. I doubt that we will. 3-month gap. If we disrespect this on a monthly time frame, now we have like I want to see us. We have what 10 days to lower prices. For the have this high here. I want to see if we're going to respect this gap on this forward contract gap. The 50% level is that we will here, which happens to have a monthly PDRA. Now we have like it's around 22,400. I want to see if we are bearish enough, especially with the war. If we disrespect this level here, I want to see if we can push down here, maybe like in the next few months, and see our reaction here. 22,400. Let me go back to I want to see if we the continuous contract, especially with the war. If we disrespect this level here, I want to see if we can push down here, maybe like in the next few months, and see our reaction. Exclamation point. Let me go back to I want to see if we where is it? Contract, especially with the war. If we disrespect all right. This level here. All right, this is the continuous contract. Here. So on the continuous contract, this is that same 3-month gap. We haven't reached it yet. I want to see us definitely reach it in the next few weeks. All right, this is the continuous contract. Here, this is this past week here. We rejected off of this weekly gap here. We rejected off of it once, twice, 3 times, and then 4 times last week. And the week of the 9th of March, I wanted to see if FOMC could push us into this. We rejected off of this weekly gap here. This is a 3-hour gap. We rejected off of it once, twice. That was my bias, and then 4 times last week. Is right, Tuesday and the week of Wednesday was right here. March. I wanted to see if we wanted to go up here and didn't work out. Right here, this is a 3-hour gap. Market switched. So we've closed. Did we close below weekly? Yeah, we've closed below this weekly gap. So yeah, when we're also inside another weekly gap. I want to see if this gap here will hold price lower, work out, and push us even lower next week. So we've closed. Yeah, we've closed below this weekly gap. So I want to see if price will. Yeah, when we're also come back up in here. I want to see if this gap here will hold price lower, work out, and push us even lower next week. So still messing with these charts. Yeah, we've closed below this weekly gap. So I want to see if price will. I want to see if price want to come up here, come back up in here. I want to see if this gap. There's a volume imbalance inside of this gap right here, and push us and see if we can melt down even lower. With these charts, I want to see if we can get these lows right here. And want to come up here. These lows right here look pretty good inside of this gap right here on the daily time frame, and see if we can melt down even lower. We have these equal lows here. I want to see if we can get these lows right here. We have even these lows right here. Look pretty good inside of this gap right here on the daily time frame. Yeah, that price just wicked. We have these equal lows here. I want to see if we can get these lows. Price right just wicked them right here. See if we can come down and mitigate these levels, and then see what price want to do. So I'm bearish for next week. for the next probably few weeks actually, to get down into here. Just with them right here. I think last week I did say as long as we come down and we stayed above 24,100, I believe, or see what price wants I wanted to see. I'm bearish for next week. For the next us be bullish, but if we are revisiting that area, then I'm more bearish. To get down into here. Just with them right here. I think last week I did say as long as we come down and we stayed above. I think some of you guys were asking me. I wanted to see. I'm bearish for next week. About ranges. Yeah. We are revisiting that area, then I'm more bearish. What I like to do, right here. 20-day range, 40-day range, and I think 60-day range, because the algorithm likes to revisit these levels. Ranges is about 60-day range right here. Equilibrium is here. As you can see, market dropped, formed this low range here, 40-day range, and then went straight back to this range from this high to this low right here, and then wicked it a couple times and gave up the goods. We're bearish. Dropped, formed this 20-day range here, and then straight back to this range from this high to this next week. Let's see. Let's take a look at the news for next week. A couple times. Next week, Monday, we have no news on the 23rd, and on the 24th we have flash PMI. Let's take a look at the news. And on Wednesday, the 25th, no news. And on Thursday, next week, Monday, we have 26th, we have unemployment claims. News. So on the 23rd, my high probability days will probably be just Tuesday. On the 24th, we have flash Tuesday through Thursday. Yeah, Monday is low probability, and Friday there's no news. So Tuesday through Thursday, no news. With these red folder days, especially around these times, we know macro times. My high probability days will probably we'll see if we can push lower. So Monday is probably just going to be a consolidation day. And Friday there's no news. I expect. So Tuesday through Thursday, no news. With these red folder days, so on the daily time frame, we have this last series of candles here, bullish candles. We just closed the lower, that would form like an order block. So Monday is probably just going to be a consolidation. I want to see if maybe Monday we come back up here, and then into Monday and Tuesday, and see if we can on the daily time frame, we have this last form a high inside of here. There you go. Bullish candles on the daily time frame, on an hourly time frame. It's probably just going to be a consolidation. I want to see if I want to see come back up here somewhere in here into Monday and Tuesday, and see inside of this range from form a high inside of here, range from this high. Daily time frame. We could potentially come all the way up into here, take some of this liquidity here. If not, we could look at how we trade inside of this range right here, where we come into this the weekly gap that we just displaced below, close way up into here, take find this liquidity here. If not, make a form a swing somewhere in here, and then and give up the trade inside of this range right here, where we come into that's my plan for the weekly gap that we just displaced below, close way up into here. Normally I hold these lives on here and then Sunday, but tomorrow I'll be a little bit busy. I thought I'd do it today. That's my plan for if anyone have any questions, I think I'm done for today that I can answer. If you have any questions, normally I hold these lives. If not, I will cut it a little short. I'll be a little bit busy. I thought I'd do it today. That's my plan for. Don't. If anyone have any questions, I also think in the future I'm going to, in the near future, I am going to be doing some back testing. And see if that can help some people out there. These markets right now are very difficult. Everybody's been getting clapped since the beginning of the year. It's been a higher time frame consolidation. Look at it, just insane consolidation. See if that can help some people out there. And let me. These markets right now are very difficult. Look at the S&P right here. Everybody's been getting clapped since the beginning of the year. It's been the forward contract real quick. A higher time frame consolidation. Look at it, just insane consolidation. If that can help some people out there. These markets right now very difficult. Look at the S&P right here. Everybody's been getting clapped since the beginning of the year. It's been the forward contract real quick. A higher time frame consolidation. Look at it, just insane. Let's see. Consolidation. All right, there we go. So yeah, it's been a higher time frame consolidation. And ES looks like it's just giving up the goods faster. We have SMT right here. I know I don't normally use SMT, but I know some of you guys were asking about SMT. You can see like this high right here. I believe on this high right here was not taken, but over here that same high looked to be taken here. So that formed the SMT, where one asset took it and the other one didn't. So, yeah. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna end the broadcast here. I'll see you guys next week. Have a good one.